Hello CS, once again good morning to you all, and I hope you all will be good at your home, and I also hope that you might have gone through file handling video, and you might have learned some common functions such as read, write, how to open, how to close for a file. Okay, so today I'm going to show you one simple operations to read a file. Okay, read line, this one. Okay, so what is there in this read line, that you can read a number of lines at the same time by using um, you can use for loop also. Okay, I'm going to show a demonstration for this one, how to read. Let's see this one, read lines. Okay, so in this read line, what is going to do, we are going to find out different lines. Suppose this line is written there, line number 1, line number 2 is written there, and how to read this one by writing a program. This will be the topic of discussion for today, is it? So without wasting time, I am going to take you to the Python cell. Okay, so that you be able to know much more. Okay, so let's see the Python cell here. So what is there in this Python cell? Theme is that we will create a file in Python cell, right? And then we are going to write a program to read all the lines of that file. So let's create a file here first. So what was the file name last time? I'm not remembering. um, let's create a new one. Okay, let's suppose I'm going to take a file name. Let's suppose file name is a is not a, f only you keep, equal to, I am going to type here, I hope this is visible to you, small, uh, or I am going to configure this. Where is that? I have to again close it and again open it out. Okay, so let's see, you try, and next time I'm going to increase it out, f equal to open, then I am going to give you what is our file name. Let's suppose I'm going to give file name here, cs is the file name, cs.txt, right? And then I am going to create it, so write plus, done. So then again I'm going to write some line here, suppose f dot write. Okay, I am writing here. Okay, I am writing, suppose I am writing here first name, uh, I am a student of computer science, right? Okay, then I am going to give a space and I am going to slash and end of line, already you know. So this one line I did, and this is 36. You can check it out here, 36. Again one more, I am going to write f dot write. I am writing here, I am learning Python programming. Then again I'm going to give one slash, one, and second line, one more line I will write here, f dot write. I am going to write here, Python is good. Okay, then end of character. So 3 line I had written here. Okay, yeah, this will be error, this will be slash and Python is good. Okay, done. So Then what I'm going to do, I am going to close f dot close. Okay, so this I had closed it out. So remember what is our file name here, cs dot txt is the file name, right? And it is open in write mode plus. So we have written and we have closed it out also. So one file already we created, in that 3 lines are there. So I am going to go to cell. Okay, let's go to the cell. I am going to take new file. What is the address? I am keeping it here. What is name here? cs.txt. So here also I am going to open here f equal to open. What open here? I am going to open here cs.txt. Then I am going to open this one in read mode. Got it? Then I am going to show you read lines. So what is this read line? Read line is going to return number of lines. Okay, so how many lines are here? I am going to take a variable x equal to f dot. If I am going to press dot and keep it for some time, see, it's all listing will come to you. From there you can search. I am going to search here read lines. See this read lines, f dot read lines. Read line means what it is going to do? It is going to collect how many lines are there. It is going to return in x. So 3 line we have written here. This is 3 line here. So how many line? 3 line in that. I'm going to make a for loop. For I'm going to write here for y in x. Just simply a loop I have taken out. How many here? Okay, all those. So this x is a list. This list consists of those lines. Understand? I'm going to write here print. What it is going to print? It is going to print y, and then I'm going to write here and equal to a character to end that one, and then I'm going to close f dot close the file. Done. So what I'm going to do here, what I we have done here, let me explain to you. Already in read mode, this what is this x dot f dot read line? This is going to this f dot read line is going to return 3 lines, one line, second line, third line. What lines are there? This one. This is first line, this is second line, and this one is third line. Will be written in what form? In an list form. List name is what? X. Okay, this is first one, this is second one, and this one is third one in that list, and for second, third. And I taken a loop, first line to be written, then second line to be written, then third line to be written in this one. That's why this loop is here for y in x. Now you understood what is that? What is x? X is a list. Okay, I am going to show you that list. This is that list x, first, second, and third. Okay, all this data are there for y in x. First one y, second y, third y. It is going to print, and then it is going to close it out. Okay, so I am going to show it to you as run the module. It should be saved. Okay, so I am going to save this one as file read. Okay, I had saved this one out. So just check it out here. First line, second line, third line. You are going to get the output. Okay, here see, this one is the output of this file in read form. Are you getting me? I hope so. The concept is clear here. Okay, so I want that this you repeat again and again till you are going to expertise, and then we will go further. Now in the next class, today I will not give you much, because you have to practice this one. Until unless you are not going to master it out. In the next class, this complexity will go on little bit more, that we are going to have a file, and then in that file we are going to search how many students are there, how many times is occur, how many times vowel occur, like that, how many times space occur. Okay, see this here, I did a mistake here. Student of, you know me, but is it nothing to worry. Okay, so like that program will come. Till that time, okay, take care, see you.